It's time for another weeknight winner.
And this dish is sizzling with flavor.
Blackened to perfection.
Oh, and it is flaky and tender and just so good.
Yeah, I love it. So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My flaky and tender Loon. You're flaky, that's for sure. I'll tell you
Totally.
that. So we've got a piping hot skillet. We're gonna blacken some fish.
Oh, look at this
It's
salmon.
fast, it's so delicious,
That
it's
is
amazing.
gorgeous. Look at that color.
That is great.
That's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. So that's we've got like 4 fillets. If you get a lot of times we get them with skin on. That's great. They get it crisp on the bottom. This time when I got them, they had already removed the skin on the bottom. So
That's all right. We're just gonna act like there's skin there.
Well, you can do it either way. If you want skin, great. If you don't want
Right.
skin, it's great too.
Right.
So I just added a little bit of oil to my medium hot skillet.
Yeah, come on, get to
Okay.
going
Now
there.
all right. I'm gonna get to going.
So he's gonna oil these up. While he does that,
I'm brushing these with just a little bit of olive oil.
Oh, sorry.
It's
You're
motor
gonna oil them
Yeah,
up.
I'm gonna motor oil them.
And as he's doing it, he's going to add some salt and pepper.
I'm going to
too.
season them liberally with salt and pepper. Okay, now
All
go
right,
ahead,
So
Loon.
I'm going to make this wonderful blackened seasoning. So we've got a teaspoon of this. That is dried out. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's all right, just use your fingers and break it up. Boy.
That is some brown sugar. There we go. That's better. That's
It'll
better.
it'll work its way
It'll
out.
reconstitute,
Sort of.
especially as you heat it. It probably
Yeah.
will. And now we've got some seasoning. We've got, oh no, these are herbs. That is a half a teaspoon of oregano and a half a teaspoon of thyme.
Both dried.
Yes. Then we've got onion powder and garlic powder, and that's a half a teaspoon of each.
That's right.
There we
Moving
go.
right along.
There we go. And then we have some heat. We've got smoked paprika, that's a tablespoon, and then we have cayenne pepper, which is also a tablespoon, which I love. I love, love, love.
I mean, we like our blackened dishes, whether it's chicken, fish,
You know what? I'm
whatever.
going to use my fingers.
Yeah, fingers are good. To be have a little heat to them. If you want less heat, then go with a teaspoon of cayenne. If you want and a teaspoon is not really spicy. But if you want like practically none, then do a half a teaspoon or omit it.
I
Okay,
love it.
That's
I
good.
love it. I love it. Love it. I love the brown sugar in here because it kind of counters the heat a little bit.
It does, and it also sort of caramelizes. I'm going to sprinkle this on there.
Yeah, I'm
and
gonna
then
do it too.
you use your fingers just to compact it.
Oh, to rub it on?
To rub it on there,
Okay.
and then we are going to
There we go.
put them in this
And
nice.
we're not
hot
going to be
skillet.
shy about this, are they?
No, you want to go ahead and use the full amount.
There we go. Come on, put some more over here.
Okay.
Put some more over here.
All right. Okay.
Wow. Look
This
at
is
that.
so good, and I'm telling you, it's fish, so it cooks so quickly,
Here we go.
so
Let's do
easy.
this.
You're gonna
I'm
do
just
the
going to dump.
dump and roll. Okay. I got I make sure I got my skillet, and I had to turn it down a little bit because it was smoking on me. Okay, while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead.
Yes.
Give that a
There's
press.
a good one right there.
So we're going to put this down flesh side first.
There you go.
We're going to get this nice and blackened.
Yay!
Yay.
I'm so excited.
Okay, and then it starts to sizzle a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to do
You let
this.
that cool down just a little bit.
Well, I had to because it was smoking.
Because I was taking too long.
Well, you'd think I'd get used to it. Okay, so now
Look at that. All right.
we're going to bring this back
One
up to
more.
nice.
I've got, since my hands are already a little bit,
Yeah,
I'm
just go ahead and
gonna
put it
bring
on
in
in
here.
there. Oh, you
sorry.
stepped on it. Okay.
Move over.
Oh boy. Okay, so now this is going to start to smoke, and what we're going to do is we're going to just let it cook, and it doesn't take long because again it's salmon, and it's going to go probably, if I had not let this cool down, but it's going to go about 3 minutes total, and then we flip it, and it goes for about 5 more minutes, and then it's ready to eat.
Yay, I'm going to clean my fingers, and then we're going to make something to go with
really
that
great
salmon.
little salad.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Amazing.
Ooh.
Look at that. That is beautifully blackened.
I think I'm going to devour that.
do a little dance. I know. So I should also tell you when you you probably already know this. You're experienced, but when you're blackening anything, you're going to probably get some smoke, like if you noticed on my skillet.
Yes,
You're
yes.
also going to smell the fumes, and you may cough a little bit. So it's good to have an open window. If you're doing it over your hood, have the hood fully open because it's going to smoke a little. So
Fabulous.
Now, okay.
So while that's cooking, while that's finishing up, we are going to make a little something like a bed of rice and beans. I don't even know what we call
It's like a
this.
little salad.
It's like our
a delicious little salad.
Yeah, like it's so good. We've been making this for years. I don't know where it came from. Anyway, this is
my head.
This is some brown rice. What is that? 2 cups or a cup and a half of brown rice?
It's like 2 cups of instant brown white rice. We're going super easy
And
here.
that is a cup. Oh no, that is a can, a 60-ounce can of roasted
fire roasted corn that's been
Thank
drained.
you. And then we've got black beans that we've cleaned and drained. And that's
We've
also a
rinsed them,
can.
yeah.
And then this is just your favorite salsa, like a half a jar of it. I love it.
Or more if you
I'm
like,
just
whatever you
going
like.
for it. And some cilantro, just a little bit.
No, go ahead. Well, it depends on what you like. But I like to do like a quarter cup.
How
of
much?
it.
You told me to leave some of this,
We'll
though.
leave some for garnish.
All
Yeah.
right.
Don't you wish you were here cooking with us? And then a little salt,
A little salt. Throw some in
a
there,
little
thank
pinch
you.
of salt, a little pinch of pepper, and then
Right.
just mix that up.
Fabulous. Oh,
Okay.
this is so good. I love this. We sometimes just eat this.
Well, okay, so this dish, obviously, it's salmon. We could also call this our low-cal big taste because it really is. It's healthy. It's good for you. It's not fattening. This is so good for you when you're trying to
Yeah.
lose a little weight.
It's
just
filling,
so
too,
perfect.
which is great.
Okay, this is going to go for just a few more minutes, and then it is time to chow down.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, the smell is so great. All right,
It's so
go-
awesome. All right, so
Clean
hold
this
on.
up.
Let me put some salad
I'm
down.
gonna turn this
our
off.
black bean and roasted corn salad.
Yes, he was struggling for the name. We have been making that forever.
Hold on.
It really complements this well.
Yeah.
He
on.
likes to make a pretty picture.
I do.
All right, so this went for about another 5 minutes. If you have a instant rain thermometer, you want that internal temperature. Salmon continues to cook even after you take it off the heat. So you want it to optimally get up to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. You can take it off at 125 and it's still going to continue cooking. So that's where we are.
All right, Chris, give it to me.
All right, I'm going to give it to you. Mm-hmm. Is that
Oh, wow.
not a thing of beauty?
Guys, look at that
Should
deliciousness.
be just so flavorful and so.
Okay.
You want me to give you another one?
No. I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh, you guys, just look at that.
Oh, now you know what?
Look at that. Yeah, sorry.
You got to do a little bit of this.
Oh,
sorry, squirt.
thanks.
There you go. Squirt your loon.
I can.
It's the waiter. And
Here, let me do you.
Yes. Okay. And now, and then we're going to sprinkle just a little more of the chopped. This is chopped cilantro.
so funny.
It kind of goes. It goes well with the salad, but you could also garnish it with some parsley as well.
Oh, you guys, look. Hold on. I'm just gonna break into this. There it is.
Oh,
there it is.
So flaky and just.
There it is. All right, I gotta get some of that. I gotta get everything. I gotta get some.
It's like me in junior high. Really flaky.
All right, you ready?
I'm so
I
ready.
hope it's not super hot.
It's good. It's gonna be great. That's a good.
Not blackened.
I mean, I'm telling you, it's always us.
That is amazing.
We do a lot of like comfort food, a lot of fried pickles and things like that. So you got to balance your meal out, and this does not sacrifice on flavor.
Wow.
So bit. Isn't that great, Wesley?
Y'all.
What?
Oh yeah. Anyway, this is. I'm just having a moment to myself. Oh, hold on. There it is. There's the little bit of heat that I love. Y'all, this is 1,000% lunar blue. It really is.
It's so good.
I'm just amazed by this. It really is.
That blackening, it really does add a little. I mean, it transforms into this amazing flavor. Anyway, we love you guys.
I love
It's
it.
perfect for the weeknight. It's perfect for the weekend.
It's fast and easy, and you'll love it.